This is how you add a product. So you go to your dashboard and then go to products, add new. In here, you can put your product name. For example, pillow cover. And then you can put your description. This one would be your short description. For example, sea turtle washable and then when you're done with all your descriptions, short one, you can also have a more detailed description down below. You can put soft, comfy, allergy free, and many more. So when you're done with that, you can go right here, product data. If you scroll down, there's 4 categories. Right now, just select simple product. Group products is when you actually group some items, when you put bag, wallet, coin purse, things like that. External products, don't touch this one, as well as the variable, because this one redirect you to other websites in the future if you are affiliated with other websites and you want to drive or you want to link your website to other websites. And then here, virtual and downloadable, you only click this if you're selling anything virtual, and you only click downloadable if you're selling anything downloadable. Since your product is an actual product, not a virtual and not a downloadable, don't click these two. And then in the general, you can put your price, $10 or $10.99. If it's on sale, you can put the sale. You can also schedule when you're gonna put them on sale, from to. And then on the product layout, this one will always be a default. Product style will also always be a default. Inventory, you can if you have a SKU, you can put it down here. If you want the system or the website to manage your stock, then you can enable stock management and product level. You can then put your quantity, say 10. That's if you want to. If you don't really have to if you don't want or you're not ready yet. And then here it says allow back orders. You have 3 options. So this one here, just make sure that you actually have products that will be arriving if you're allowing customers to be able to put back orders if you don't have the item. So there's 3 choice: do not allow, allow but notify customer, or allow. So that you can choose whichever your product or you want to offer to your product. This one here will tell you, will alert you if your product is going low. So right now it's on 2, but you can actually change it to 1 or to 0 or to 5. So this will allow you to know whether a certain product is running out of stock. So in here, sold individually, you can click this if you want the customer to be able to to purchase just one item. It says here, enable this to only allow one of this item to be bought in a single order. So a lot of times when you have promotions, then you can click this one. Basically, it's kind of like a limited item. Total stock quantity. This one you would input the total quantity of items that you have so that it can calculate if you sold anything. and then it will then calculate your inventory, or not calculate your inventory, basically it will alert how many inventory you would have left. So this would be your total stock quantity. So again, these things are optional for you to fill out. That's if you want to activate it. Shipping is pretty basic. It's basically what you put on your the description, like what's the length, what's the width, what's the height, things like that. And then link products, this one here, if you want to upsell a product, let's say you want to upsell the pillow to let's say a handbag, or say blanket. Okay, so you can have these options. You can select any one of this if you want to upsell. So we'll select one, or you can even select two. Blankets. Just select two. Or cross sell, if you want to sell a different category. Since we're typing a pillow, then you might want to include maybe kitchen. Then select a kitchen, or select whichever will pop up in here. Kitchen, we selected a separate one. Let's say quilt. So we selected quilt. Okay, and then for the attribute, this is where you can see your product attribution, and now we have included color and size. So if you want to add color, then you add color. You select what color it is, black, white, and then advanced. Here on the advanced, this is where you would put in your anything that you want to say to the customer after purchase. So here you can say thank you for your purchase. Please contact us. For further information, or whatever you want. Or you can put in anything. Basically, you can put in shipment will arrive to you within the next 4 to 5 business days. Okay. Menu order is basically just manually inputting the order, so you don't have to do this because we've already optimized this, and we had done automation. So again, in the bottom here it says enable review. It's been checked, so if you want the customer to leave review, then you can enable it. And then for the last 1, 2, 3, and 4, extra product option, get more options, accessory, you don't have to touch this. Then now you can go to actually you can go down here too. Oh, this one we already filled it out. Those are additional descriptions. So you can go up here on the side, on the right hand side, and in here you can choose the category. So since this is a pillow, you can, let's see, pillow belongs to pillowcase, so it belongs to Hawaiian quilt, and then the subcategory would be pillow covers. Then you can also add, if you want to add, if it's not here, then you can add like, let's say mats, for example. You can do mats, and then you can also put the parent, let's say mats belongs to, I don't know, let's say home decor, for example. Then you can choose a parent category, so the mat will be placed on the home decor. But let's see, add new category. So you can see there, mats, Hawaiian quilts, mats, I'm gonna uncheck the pillowcase because we just added this to the home decor. So it's under quilt, and then subcategory, or as quilt as a parent category, and then under quilt it belonged to the home, and home it was a mat. But again, it's not supposed to be like this because it's on the pillowcase. I'm just showing it to you so that way you can know. Okay, so that is that one. And product tag, you can add as much description as you want in here. You can do like pillows. This is just to optimize your SEO, but you don't really have to type in anything here. You can continue to add however you want, whichever title that you want to have your customers search when they are searching for this particular product. And then this, again, you don't need to touch this. For product image, so we go to the click on the image. Since we already uploaded the items, you can just select any one of them. However, if you want to add more items to upload, then you can go upload file and then drag and drop your item in here. Okay, so since we already did, then I'll just select, for example, this, pretend it's a pillow. And then in here, alt text, you can describe it, but you can leave these blank if you wanted to. This won't really show. It will just if you can, it would be nice if you have the time to put in any description that you can indicate it in here. So right now, since this is only showing you how to add the products, I'm gonna go ahead and select product image. Product image will be right here. If you wanted to again, this one here, sorry, slug, ignore. Custom field, ignore. If you wanted to add more I guess more images, that would be your, this one would be your main product, and main image. And then in here, product gallery, this would be your other images that will show in the bottom of the main image. So you can select any one of these, for example this, and then if you're using Mac, you use command key for Mac, and then other computer, you can hold the key and control, press control. So command, I'm gonna put this as command. I click on this one. As you can see, I'm gonna click on this one too, and then I'll just put add to gallery. So these are the things that will be added to my gallery. And then, so we've already filled out the product data, filled out the description, and then filled out your prices, product tag, it's on the category, and then you can then publish. So let me, or if you want, you can preview, or you can click the permalink. So when you create the pillow cover as your product, for example, then it will automatically create the permalink. Permalink will direct you, will link you directly to the product itself. So let's see how this looks like. Basically, let's see. Oops, hold on. It did not do it yet because, let's see. Review. Let's do publish. When you publish, then you can look at it and it's already here. So this is how it looks like. You have your pillow cover. You can change the font. Earlier I was just giving you as an example. So pillow cover, available in stock, 10, soft, comfy, allergy free. And then here are the other items that we selected. And then in the bottom you will see description, see-through, washable. Okay, specification color is black, and that's it. You've already published your product. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this. I'm gonna move to trash. All you have to do is just say move to trash, and then it will not be there anymore. So if you look at your all of your products, it's not there anymore. So again, it's very easy. You can click on here, click edit or edit, and you can change the products, the descriptions right here. Other description would be in the bottom. This one doesn't have anything, so you can put a lot more detail if you wanted to. And then general, we went over these things. We also went over here. We already discussed all of these. Again, don't touch these extra products. Get more information, more options, accessories, and specification, as we already modified your website. And then all you gotta do is select your product category, which category that you want this particular product to belong to. If you want to add, then go ahead and add, and then you can choose parent category. And then when you finish doing that, click the add category. You can type in product tags, any description that you want to have Google find this product. You can put it here. This is one way of optimizing SEO. And then again, your product image, you can add the product here. Slugs and custom field, ignore. And that's it. And then press published, or update. In this case, update, but we're not touching it since I'm just showing you a brief example. Okay, let me know if you need any help. Thank you. Bye bye.